Vajiula is joining us straight from Bengaluru. Vajiula, what's the situation there in Bengaluru? Have you spoken to any of the passengers narrating the horror of the chaos that broke out there at the airport in Bengaluru? Multiple flights have been cancelled there as well.
Well, absolutely. We are trying to get in touch with the passengers, but what we've learned from authorities is that there is a lot of delays, one because of the weather, but mostly because of the technical issues that the flight has been facing, shortage of seats, jumbling. Many passengers were compelled to sit on floor. Elderly passengers are facing a lot of problems. So the primary reason of this chaos is the shortage of pilot and crew that is there in Indigo flights, and that has become one of the problems. One of the passengers who I had a chance to speak to, he said that when he spoke to the flight attender when he was traveling from Aurangabad to Goa, he said that that the pilot has been flying for the last two flights, and they have given him some time to rest, and that is why there has been delay. So this has become a major issue on these flights, and in the last 48 hours, 70 flights have been affected. And this is going to be a bigger problem if this is how it continues in Karnataka, we've been told.
Absolutely. Varghese, let me come back to you. There is, something very interesting that I've just read, that amid the frustration, many people have pointed out the irony of Indigo promoting on-time service while its blue chip loyalty program does not offer any kind of punctuality based rewards. It's certainly going to be a severe hit on the reputation of Indigo, because they often promise, and we have seldom seen them arriving before time, and they are super fast with their services and also punctual. All right, Varghese, please stay with me here on the broadcast. I'll also request Sabyasachi and Vajiula to stay with me on the broadcast. We've got a couple of reactions coming in straight from the airport as well. Let's take a look.
ये और सेम प्राइस पे मिल गई है, हाँ, पर थोड़ा सा ये हो गया कि टाइम सारा खराब हो गया, क्योंकि 4 बजे फ्लाइट थी, 1:20 पे कर दी, वो भी हमने मैसेज देख लिया तब जाके हुआ।
रायपुर। थैंक यू।
आपका नाम क्या?
नीना रायपुर सर।
क्या अभी बताया गया है
सर? मैसेज जो राकेश जी ने बताया सेम ही है, मैसेज इन्हीं को आया था। थैंक यू सर।
तो क्या उसमें क्या बताया गया मैसेज में?
मैसेज में यही बताया गया कि हमारी जो मतलब फ्लाइट है वो आज कैंसिल हो चुकी है, तो उसकी वजह से हम लोग 2:20 पे अभी हमें निकलना पड़ा, नहीं तो हमने 4:20 पे निकलना था, 1:20 पे निकलना है वो, नहीं तो हमने 4।
Clearly, the passengers are at the receiving end of this chaos at the moment. Complete situation of distress there amongst the passengers across the nation at multiple airports.